Okay, these questions that I have now are for the people resources part of O'Brien's model, pretty much the end users of the system, as well as the people who are behind the scenes monitoring it. Now, the question is, the students, faculty, and staff from Chatham can use Millennium. Are other people permitted to use the system? I found out that actually when I tried to go on to Millennium from Pitt's campus, the only reason I could do it, or the only reason I could access like the library's serial collection, the list of their serial collection, was with a Chatham username and password.
Right. Well, that's the databases. That's not part of Millennium. That's separate.
Okay. So how could one even access Millennium?
Well, that's just the online catalog.
Oh, okay. So that's that I was trying to view. That's what I was going to view what serials we had here, but I had to have a username and password. So in other words, somebody from the outside couldn't see what serials we had.
Well, you have to go in.
It's a confusing way, but it can be done.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a more direct route. You go to books and more, and here you can type the name of the serial, or you can go to advanced catalog.
Yeah, I figured it was probably just an error on my part.
No.
That I couldn't.
Well,
well, not an error, but a kind of a misunderstanding, rather. Is it this? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so.
Now you're in Millennium.
But I should be able to access that same what I just did from anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a World Wide Web. That's open to everybody.
So correction, anybody can access Millennium then, right? From the outside.
Yeah.
But the people who can access the administrative part is only us for the campus, correct? Well, Millennium staff itself, can they access it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And all right. Now I'm just going to go down the list of areas where people are needed. And I just, as you listen to the list, just tell me if you can think of any other areas that I didn't mention.
Okay.
Obviously acquisitions, which is your primary function, even though you're head of tech services, you're primarily acquisitions. Cataloging, which is that okay? You as well. Circulation is
Amy Lee.
Amy Lee, so that's one person, right?
Yeah, but she has a stable of student workers.
Okay, but I mean one like Chatham employed.
Yeah.
Okay. And then she uses other student workers as work-study jobs, and then serials. Obviously, that's me. As far as another area, you need IT specialist, or no, it says, because you have people that work on our server with Millennium's collection in that.
Yeah.
In that manner.
That's pretty much. I work with IT. It's not part of my job description, but I am the systems librarian.
Okay.
And, there's a couple people over in IT that, if I have an issue with the server itself, the hardware, I work with them. If I have an issue with the network connections, I go to somebody else.
Okay. Well, when you say network connections, what do you kind of mean?
Like the IP address, if it changes.
Oh, okay, that stuff.
If they have some firewall up that's not supposed to be.
Okay.
That's
okay. And there obviously are IT specialists on Millenniums, and also. Do you have anybody? I mean, obviously, acquisitions, cataloging, circulation, and serials are all people. They all enter data. But do you have anybody that's tied to Millennium specifically for data entry of some separate sort of nature?
No, that's all us.
Okay. And help desk. There's people. You showed me the website, but is there an actual person can you actually call a phone number from Millennium and speak to a real human?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And they can help you with pretty much anything from tech issues to general questions?
Yeah, it's usually they create a work order number and somebody gets back to me later in the day.
Okay. And is there a sales rep that you deal with directly from Millennium?
Yeah, but I usually just send them to Joe.
Okay. But I mean there is at some point either you or Joe someone deals with a sales rep.
Yeah.
Okay. And all right. And the customer support, is there any, what form of customer support, this is kind of a side question, this has more to sort of do with software, but as far as customer support, where can the public go, like a student at Chatham who needs help, understanding, like if they pull up a serials record or they want to look at a record of a book, where can they go? Do they have to go directly to you or the front desk, or where?
Well, they're reference librarians, that's part of their job.
So they understand Millennium as well?
Yeah.
Okay. And, okay.
If there's a problem checking out something, then it would just be the circulation people. But
Okay.
if it's a research-related question, then the reference librarians.
Okay. And are you familiar with HLS at Pitt, their library system? HSLS at Pitt?
Yeah.
Is Millennium similar to that?
Well, that's more of a overbroad system. Millennium is just a product that we use for our online catalog.
Okay.
They like to name things at Pitt.
Yeah. I don't care.
Yes,
Okay.
and librarians love to come up with acronyms and names, and they like to brand things. And in larger institutions, sometimes you have to do that. So.
Okay. And this particular part of the video won't necessarily be on the presentation. This is more so for them to get the audio.
Right.
But there will be a part that I'll actually put on the wiki page if that's okay with you.
Sure, absolutely.
And are there people, like I know you have part of your thing that you do is doctoral theses. Are there do you scan those to put into the system, or does somebody else? Or
we require the graduates to give us an electronic copy, and they usually email it to me. Sometimes it's too big, and they'll put it on a DVD or something.
Okay, so in that sense, that is what you put into the collection. You create a record for that in Millennium,
yeah,
and then it goes into the collection.
Yeah, I create 3 records actually. I create the PDF file. I create a little web
link.
It's like a little mini web page that works as a directional. That you go to the library catalog, and it takes you to the web directional, and then you have to be on campus to do this, and then it takes you to the PDF, and then the read-only PDF.
Okay. Now you can't log on from off campus.
Not yet. Because
PitCat, you can log on to PitCat from off campus. Like you can view PitCat from anywhere, but you're actually the process by which you can log on through a secure network or whatever. You have to use your username and password. So that feature is not yet available at Chatham, though.
No, and they're not sure if they want to do that yet.
Okay.
The way it works now is it's sort of it's secure and
on campus, secure though.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, students whose laptops are connected to the wireless network, they can do that though, right?
Yeah.
That's considered on campus. It doesn't just have to be PC.
Yeah, but now that we have 2 more campuses, East Side and Eden Farm Hall, whatever it is, they have expressed interest in accessing these things.
Side note: that just does Eden, the other 2 other campuses, are they connected to our library system? Do they use Millennium?
Oh yeah, they use Millennium, and they can use the databases.
Now, our holdings. When you look up something in our holdings, does that say that it's specifically at Chatham, and as opposed to Chatham's main campus, as opposed to East Side? Does it show which?
Yeah, they don't have holdings there.
Do they have a library on either campus?
No, we don't. I mean, again, that's a money issue.
Yeah, of course.
Williams, just
of course.
a little branch.
Yeah. Okay.
So new staff.
Okay. All right.
None of us wants to move out there, so.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Then that section is for the people resources. I won't have much more to go. Don't worry.
All right.